Hello, my math independent study student. In this video, we are going to divide a polynomial by a polynomial. Let's review how to perform long division with natural numbers. So in this case, we are going to divide 175 by 3. So this is the long division symbol. So we'll look at so here we can see I kind of label it so you can see we call 175 as the dividend and 3 as the divisor. So since 3 times 5 is 15, so 15 will be the closest to the 17. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 5 in our quotient. So 3 times 5, 15, and we subtract 17 minus 15 will give us 2. And then we drop the next number down, which is the 5, so then we have 25. And next, in our quotient, we have 3 times 8 is 24, and 25, and again we subtract 24, we give us 1, so that will be the remainder. So how can we check our answer to see if we found the correct quotient? We will take the divisor times the quotient plus the remainder. If it's equal the dividend, then we found the correct answer. So in this case we have 3 times 58 plus 1, and that is equal 175. So that's true. So therefore 58 is the correct quotient or the correct answer, and 1 is the remainder. So let's use the long division concept to divide polynomials. So now we are going to divide these two polynomials. So go ahead again. I'm going to go ahead and use long division again. So start with the symbol. And dividend is 2x to the power 3 plus 3x squared minus 11x plus 7, and the divisor is x minus 3. So again, I'm going to go ahead and label this so you know. So this is the dividend, this is the divisor, and on top will be the quotient. And if we have the remainder, it will be below here. So now the first thing you are going to do is take the first term of your dividend, divide by the first term of your divisor. And the thing about here, so here I have 2x to the power 3 divided by x, so that will give me 2x squared. And that will be the first term in our quotient, 2x squared. Next, I'm going to go ahead and multiply the 2x squared in my quotient to the two term in my divisor. So that will give me 2x to the power 3 minus 6x squared. And at the same time, I'm going to go ahead and put the parenthesis and put the minus sign because I want to subtract. So what it means is that you are going to distribute negative 1 to each one of the term inside. So think about this here. So if you distribute negative 1 to each one of the term here, so that it becomes negative 2x to the power 3 and then plus. So the 2x to the power 3 is gone. So now you have 3x squared. These are like terms because they have the same variable and the same exponent. So you have 3x squared plus 6x squared, so that will give us 9x squared. Now you're going to drop the next term down. So that will give us negative 11x. So again, do exactly the same process again. You take the first term of your of the dividend, in this case be 9x squared. You divide by the first term of your divisor, still x, so that will give you 9x, and then go ahead and write it here in our quotient. This will be your second term in the quotient, to be 9x. Now you are going to distribute the 9x to each one of the term in your divisor. So I'm going to go ahead and write this way so that you can see. So 9x times x, 9x times -3. So then you have 9x squared. Put the product right below. And then 9x times -3 will be -27x. And then put the parentheses around the products and put the minus sign. So again, you distribute the negative, so the sign change. So the 9x squared minus the 9x squared is gone. Negative 11 plus 27. Now these are like terms, so that will give you 16. So now you have negative 11x plus 27. So that will give you 16x. And now you can go ahead and move the next term down. So the next term in this case will be 7. So we plus 7. And you do exactly the same process again. So you take 16. So you have 16x divided by x, so that will give you 16. So go ahead and plus 16. So put 16 in your quotient. So now you are so now you will have so let me go ahead and erase this and draw a new one for you to see. So 16 times x will give you 16x. 16 times -3 will be -48. So now you will go ahead and put the parentheses around your product and minus sign to distribute -1 again. This become a plus. So 16x minus 16x is gone. 7 plus 48 will be 55. So now 55 is your remainder. So therefore you can check it. So this is how you check again. You want to check, so you want to take your divisor times your quotient plus the remainder and if it equals your dividend, then it means that we found the correct quotient. So in next video we are going to check for our answer. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Goodbye. Make sure you write down the summary.